there is a Burberry scarf that retails for $645. And this is my favorite dupe that doesn't sacrifice quality. This is on Black Friday deal now for $8.35 at the time of filming. The quality is unmatched for a gift. Oh my gosh. Designer looks for a true fraction of the price. I did all the research so you don't have to. Today's video is sponsored by Rakuten. I've recently shared so many Dollar Tree luxury dupes, and many of you have asked for more. So I wanted to help. These are Dollar Tree prices for designer lipsticks. Tons of great ideas in this video, no gatekeeping to help you save. Plus the secret luxury advent calendar that came out this year that's actually affordable. You won't believe where it's from. Here she is. I am so excited to open this with you because truly, accessories are one of my favorite ways to get the high-end look for less. And scarves are super trending this year everywhere. This is an Hermes scarf dupe, and the estimated retail is $620 for something similar. This has 4.6 stars. I love how the design on this really mimics that old world high-end feel, and the fabric on this is so nice. Now I roll this around and I tie this around my neck in kind of an ascot. I've gotten so many compliments on this one. It is so affordable. These are such a great gift idea because you can style them into any outfit and they always look amazing. Plus, you can even tie this on the side of your bag as well. And coming up, I have all of my favorite bag deals. I want to move quickly to the next Hermes dupe, which is this silky scarf wrap. Now these are very large and retail for $500, $600 on Hermes website. This one is over $1,000. These are beautiful, very luxury, and like I told you, I don't want to sacrifice quality. I found an incredible pashmina dupe that is so similar in style and color. It does not wrinkle easily, and the fabric on this is so soft. It comes in so many different styles and patterns and colors, so you can totally customize this for yourself or the person you're giving it to. For less than $30, you can't beat this price point. I've gotten truly so many compliments when I wear this. It is a fantastic and quality piece. Accessories are such a favorite gift of mine because you can add it to things you already have for that high-end designer look. And trending right now are these Coach cherry charms, and y'all, they retail for $95. I love them, but there is a version that you can get for $8.99. I will link it down below that looks nearly identical. I put this on my bag. I've gotten so many compliments on this. This is a great stocking stuffer gift idea, and it's super affordable. Need a great gift idea? Bag chains are all the rage, but they are over $100 on the high-end websites. You can get these for just a few dollars. I'll link below. Both of these are great stocking stuffers, and you can get them for less than $15. Be sure to stay tuned because my favorite part of the video is coming up. Can you guess where it's from? Coming up, we are jumping right into purses, one of the hottest trends to gift this year, and designer luxury is back. Lots of people think that Amazon is really the only place to find designer dupes, but I am giving you away my secret. Macy's is the best place to find affordable designer dupes or designer 50, 60, 70% off because their Black Friday deals are that good. So I put in designer bags and I search for $50 and under. And automatically Macy's is gonna serve to you bags that are very similar to things that you're seeing at Louis Vuitton, Coach, Dior, Prada. And if you're looking for near identical styles, my recommendation are Aldo and Steve Madden. Macy's has tons of these that are less than $50. Look at this incredible bag. This came in a set of 2, and I got it for under $40 for both. And what is even more, I can stack it with Rakuten cash back. I've been talking about Rakuten for years on my channel, and if you know, sound off in the comments below. Rakuten is the largest cashback site where you get money back for shopping you were doing anyway. There are over 3,000 stores on Rakuten. Macy's, Belk, Kohl's, Sephora. All you have to do is download it. It is completely free onto your phone or an extension on your browser. Then you're gonna click on the store you wanna shop and you'll be getting cash back on your purchases. This means, my friends, with sales, you are getting cash back on that shopping. Lots of stores sometimes have double cash back. Like when you see that, scoop it up and always check before you do any shopping. But if you are a new Rakuten user, use my link down below and you're going to get a $50 welcome bonus for signing up and your first qualifying purchase. So that means if you make a purchase at Macy's on a $50 bag, you are going to get $50 cash back. I don't know about you, but that kind of sounds like you're getting that bag for absolutely free. Definitely check it out. I've used Rakuten for years. They are such a trusted partner and so awesome. Some recent deals I scooped up, this stackable lip wardrobe. This retails for $50, but I got these for just a couple of dollars a piece. In fact, $1.50 a piece. This blush balm cheek set, I can break this up into smaller gifts. This entire thing was $10. I got these adorable bow socks for just $3 at a name brand UGG throw. It retails for $100. I got it for $24.50 plus 6% cash back. At this immediate moment, the best deals are this Madison Park throw. This is a $100 throw you can get for less than 25 bucks. It comes in all sorts of colors. This is my #1 gift pick right now. The perfume deals are incredible. You can get some up to 80% off. Here's a couple of my favorites for women as well as men. I'm just that type of person. I want luxury and I want it for $20. The men's fashion is also a great deal, which I stack with my cash back. I want to point out to you their advent calendar. Now this is now 50% off. So if you want the Macy's advent, while it is a lot of mini products, these are high-end products and this is a good price. But aside from Macy's, there's an even better place to shop. You want to know the secret? I've waited this entire video to tell you. Oh my gosh, I just love this store. I'm so excited. I have searched high and low for a luxury advent calendar to share with you that's actually affordable. But the truth is that all of the good advent calendars, the ones with 5-star ratings, the ones with full-size products, those are all at least $100. I've seen some up to like $700, $1,000 for an advent calendar. I'm like, no girl, where are the products that are like $3 a piece? I found one. It is my favorite luxury style advent calendar. And y'all, it is from CVS of all places. I am so excited. Broken down with my cash back, this retails for about $3 an item. And there is a luxury brand hidden inside of this. Let's do it. What I do is order it on their app, so I stacked it with Rakuten cash back to get 7% cash back, making the grand total of this out of pocket for me $37.20, which for a luxury advent calendar with full-size products is really good. We're gonna open this up together and I'm gonna share with you everything that comes inside. Here it is, #1. Let's see what we get. That is satisfying. Yes! This is L'Oreal's 36-hour 3-second setting mist. This is a fabulous product. I've used this before. This one is a definite heck yes. Woo! Liquid blush. And this has been so trending all year. And this is in the color 140 Rose Romance. I am really excited to try this one out. Let me see here. Oh yeah, and this is like a full-size product. Okay. Woo! Ardell, which is my favorite brand. These are their press-on, pre-glued under eyelash extensions. This was a #1 product that you guys bought from my Amazon storefront. I get to see all of your favorite things and my eyelashes are one of them. And this one are the really cool ones that go underneath your eyelashes so they look the most natural. Ardell is my favorite brand. Whoa, this is giant. This is Dove Body Scrub. I am super excited about this. It's pomegranate and shea butter scent. Oh, it's so nice, guys. It's so nice. It smells so good. Oh, NYX Hydrating Gloss Serum. Really, really good. Ooh, so pretty. Okay, this is in a punchy red color. Should I put it on? Ooh. This is a Power Grip Primer Magic Worker by e.l.f. I have never used this product before, but can you see how large this is? This is a full-size product in here. For $37.20, I received this. This is a yes. This is a yes. We got #7. Ooh! This is one of my favorite brands, a really, really good one. A thermal protection spray for your hair. So when you're curling your hair, which I did today, you spray this on. Chi is a great brand, and this is a very large product for an advent calendar. I'm real into it. This is on day #8. We have CoverGirl Mascara. I've never tried this brand. This is a plant-powered clean mascara. Super cool. I'm excited about this one. Then we got #9. We have a full-size, not a mini, but a full-size Sally Hansen Miracle Nail Polish Gel. #10. Are we seeing how big this is? Like, are we seeing how big this is? This is Bedhead After Party Smoothing Cream for silky, shiny hair. Should we test a little out? Let's see. Oh, it smells really good. Apply. Is it working? Is it smoothing? Is it smoothing? Is it smoothing? It's working. I feel like Ariel like this. We're almost done. We're almost done. What is happening? Hand masks, advanced therapy. I love Aquaphor products. This is really cool. Intensive hydration in 10 minutes. Last one. What's in it? What's in it? What's in it? Oh, I can't lie. I knew this was in here, which was part of the reason why I was so excited about this one. This is perfume. And when I say this is a very luxury brand, like this is what you're finding at Sephora, this is like nicer stuff at Ulta, a full-size perfume is at least $60 to $100. And look at this, it's a mini, but like this is a lot that you're getting in here. Like for a mini, this is like a larger mini. I'm so excited about this one. This entire advent calendar is such a good deal, and I know that these are flying off shelves. So if you want one, I'll be sure to link it down below. Make sure that you're shopping and getting your cash back. I am really, really excited about this one and think it's a great buy and a great gift idea. It's that special time of year when you get to leave a Do It on a Dime video receiving something. Be sure to click the link down below and sign up for Rakuten. Claim your $50 welcome bonus. It's such an honor to be able to share this with you. My beautiful friend, as always, you have and you are more than enough. Thanks so much for being here. I'm gonna come get my hug, don't worry. Bye.